Okay, here we go. We are realizing that we need 1,000 YouTube subscribers to be able to go live. So we're going to do a recording and we are going to ask for you to subscribe so we can start living. It's going to be so much fun. Today, we are going to start off while we are being quarantined, as we all are. Stay home, stay calm, wash your hands. Every day, my son Knox is going to make a new type of egg for breakfast. And today we're making scrambled eggs. So I'm gonna turn this around to him. He's so ready. Okay, we're starting off with some bacon.
Yes.
Okay, you go. Introduce yourself.
My name is Knox.
That's all I get?
Yeah.
We're gonna make scrambled eggs, and with that, we're going to... Why are we doing bacon first?
Because the bacon oils and stuff stay in the pot, and then when you cook the eggs, it has like bacon flavor.
Sky, come here. Sky, come here.
Okay.
Come here.
We have Sky, who's trying to get on camera.
So we just wait for a little while until we see the edges of this side start cooking and looking crispy, and then we flip it over to cook the other side.
And how'd you get the idea to decide to do the bacon first?
I don't know,
Why do you want to do the bacon first in the same pan?
because I know bacons produce oil that tastes like bacon.
Bacon fat?
Yeah.
And then what? And you're going to use that for something?
We're gonna put the egg.
I see. Learning from the master. Where'd you learn that?
You.
Yay! The scrambled egg part, however, who'd you learn that from?
Gordon Ramsay.
Gordon Ramsay, chef. Shout out to Chef Gordon Ramsay for posting all the YouTube videos of how to make the best scrambled eggs ever. Oh, I hear some sizzle.
Okay, so if it starts sizzling, we check. No, I think we should turn down the heat.
We're at what, medium heat?
5.
On 5. Using our new signature kitchen suite range. Loving it.
Okay, so should then you just wait.
We're gonna wait. It's gonna take a while. So altogether, what are we gonna be eating today?
Scrambled eggs,
With,
bacon, and toast.
I see your toast ready.
Yeah, I made toast.
What'd you put on your toast?
Butter.
Butter toast. Butter everything. This is very Frenchy, huh? What else makes it Frenchy?
I don't know.
Butter, scallions, chives, cream, half and half. It's gonna be awesome. This bacon part's gonna take a while. Half and half is there. Do we need half and half? So earlier he made one. I had that on my Instagram live, and it is so creamy. I've never had creamier eggs in my life. Creamy scrambled eggs. You're gonna see this technique that he uses to control the fire, and I'm gonna keep eating this. As we go. As we wait for the bacon. Okay. Bacon's still going. I love it how we can also flip back and forth on here. We're using the YouTube record button because we couldn't live. And we need you to help share this when we post it and get people to subscribe. Once we have 1,000 subscribers, we can go live. And we would love just live stuff. It'll be so much more fun, right, Knox?
Yeah.
Get all the bloopers in and all. You're very patient, by the way, patient chef.
Okay.
I would be turning up that heat already.
I turned down the heat.
I think we probably need to share some background. This is our first broadcast live at home. If you've come to my channel, I actually have more of travels to Thailand, eating on the streets, and from our culinary retreat. Please go check those out. My mission here for my YouTube channel and my life at the moment is really to inspire people to have a beautiful life, find your purpose through food, culture, and travel. I'm from Thailand, live in Texas, have an amazing time, and we do really love to cook. 4 restaurants here in the Dallas area, been doing it for over 15 years and realized that, you know, here, let me put him in the background. Hello! There's just more to life, and we really need to create a community of inspiration, especially during this hard time. Everyone is having to stay home, and we really want to help educate people to cook together, stay together, have fun. And here's my other one. What are you gonna say?
Hi.
Hi, what?
My name's Sky.
That's an introduction to Sky. I believe it's gonna go way more, but here we go. I hear more sizzle.
So the bacon is shrinking.
And looking to get crispy.
It's normal.
Yeah, he turned up the heat. We're on 7. Love it. I think it's ready to be flipped.
Really?
Yeah.
Turn down the heat because
Look at the, yeah. So I haven't turned on our vent hood because it's gonna be really loud.
okay, perfect.
I really wonder if you're watching this and I keep moving the camera to different angles, is that hard for them to watch?
I don't know.
You don't know? That's a Sky question. She watches a lot of YouTube. Okay, I think it's done. Yeah. Time to get it out. Yes, it's gonna keep cooking. It has residual heat.
Okay. So the bacon produced a lot of oils,
And
then we just wait for it to cool down.
Okay. Yes. That is crispy bacon right there. And it definitely shrunk, like you said. It's moving my avocado toast really far. Okay.
Yeah, we just want to put it in the bacon, and not on the paper. It's like really small now.
Yeah, it kept cooking.
Okay. And then to cool, you want to press down on it with another paper.
Okay.
So the fat.
You're gonna have to speak up for me, sir.
Okay. So we're making our scrambled eggs now.
Love it.
So I had 3 normal eggs.
I'm gonna take these tongs for you because you're gonna need to use a different tool.
And then you want to scramble it in the pan.
Why in the pan?
Because it's better.
It's better. I have never, literally, this is my first time learning.
Now we turn up the heat.
Turn up the heat.
Okay.
It's all about scrambling in the pan.
So about now, you would put in the butter. Yeah.
Butter going
You
in.
can't stop stirring or else it's going to overcook.
Good to know. Let me focus on this. How do you know when it's done?
When it looks less watery.
Less watery. I'm gonna come on this side because I keep getting your hand in my, here we go. Now I got a good view. This is gonna cook up fast.
So now we want to put our chives in, fresh from the garden.
Fresh from the garden chives. If you go to our Instagram, Nikki Feeding Souls, you'll see him cutting the chives, aka the top of really small green onions, in this case, or scallions. I think your eggs like way cooked. Can you turn down your heat maybe? Adding some half and half, more fat, controlling heat. I only know this because I saw you do it the first time on our Instagram live.
And then once
You ready for
yeah,
some?
sour cream.
Okay. Tell me when.
Okay, good.
And then you control the heat by moving it off and on the heat, huh?
Yep.
Okay.
Actually, I know what I think I might put in bacon.
Ooh, good move.
Can I cut it with this?
You're gonna cut it with your knife, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Some bacon pieces. There.
Mm-hmm.
More.
That looks nice and smooth and creamy and fluffy. You're right. Let me get a close look there. Is it done?
Yep.
Okay, what are we gonna do now?
Put it on the plate.
Okay, are we seasoning it with anything else? You want any salt and pepper?
Yeah.
Yeah? Salt and pepper.
Pretty much done.
Okay.
Put in your salt and pepper.
Salt, pepper time.
And then you want to mix it in
Mm-hmm.
so the salt and pepper spreads evenly.
Yeah, beat my late mat. Okay, that looks good. Kids who want to cook, hope you're watching. This looks pretty awesome and really easy, isn't it, Knox?
Yep.
Looks so good. Can I try this one too? Because you totally change it up. You add like bacon fat, bacon bits. Yummo. It's all done. Okay, show me your complete product. A little bit more salt. He's already trying to clean up his mess. Mise en place. Love it. Okay. No. Show me your final product. Okay, we also have to clean. That's really important, kids. After you cook, you gotta clean. We use this non-stick pan, and it is easy to clean, so no excuse.
Okay. And we're done.
Okay, show me. Show me. Yum. Does that not look awesome? You're gonna eat it now? Okay, I'm gonna put it right here for you. What do you think? How good? What's it taste like?
Tastes like bacon.
Tastes like bacon. Can I have a taste?
Okay.
You gonna feed me?
It's not that hot.
Not that hot. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. I bet you do. Somebody else wants to try too. Hey, Pepper. You don't get any. Sorry. Okay. Awesome. So here we go. Me and Knox and the fam, we're having fun in the kitchen. We made scrambled eggs today, and we're going to figure out what we're going to make tomorrow. Look, our photo bombers. What else, Knox? What you got to say?
Making eggs tomorrow also.
With some excitement?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. See y'all later. Subscribe, and share, and like, and love.